The worst MP, the worst councillor, the worst councillor and mayor Manchester has ever seen is Donovan Mitchell. We don't not talk with one side of the mouth.
I hear you.
It's Donovan Mitchell. Even Mr. Ramsey has always been better than him.
All right.
That is great, man. The other day I passed through this town. I said, "Look, bush full up with the school. We are going to bush."
You live in Do you live in central Manchester?
Yes, all my life.
Are you so you're a registered voter there?
Yes, I am.
Oh. So you will be voting for Rhoda?
Of course, and I'll be going out and I encourage everybody to vote for her because she deserves a second chance. She deserves it.
A second chance or a second term?
A second term. When I say second chance, a second term.
Oh.
And more to come to. More term to come to.
Oh, I see.
Oh,
all right, Pauline.
I'm talking to you, man, and the cold one keeps taking me.
Why?
Yes, man.
Why cold?
Because a young girl like this come up and do so many things in 4.5 years that Donovan Mitchell as a mayor has never done in 20 years. Come on.